Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to easily delete files and folders from your OneDrive storage. OneDrive offers a convenient way to store your files online, accessible from any device. But sometimes you might need to declutter and free up some space. That's where deleting files comes in. Head over to OneDrive.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. This will take you to your OneDrive online storage. Navigate through your folders to find the files you want to delete. You can use the search bar for quicker access. Click on the checkbox next to the files you want to remove. Once you've selected the files, click the Delete button located at the top of the page. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete again to permanently remove the selected files. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.